What is going on, people of the extranet? Tyler here with Random Automotive, and today we're going to show you how to diagnose a bad PCV valve. This is the 1998 Dodge Ram 1500. This is the 59360, and if you're looking for the PCV valve, that would be it right there. Looks like fall's arrived and the deer have come out. Now, you may have replaced PCV valves before, you may have replaced multiple ones before, but you're not really sure what they do. And basically it takes gases from the crankcase into the combustion chamber, kind of circulates them, and if one goes bad, they may make noises. In the case of this one, if you see this video, you kind of hear a buzzing noise. But what could also happen is lack of power, or it could just cause your vehicle just to kind of shut off and die on you, or it can make terrible noises. So we're going to show you, if it is making a noise like that, or you're having a stalling problem, you believe it to be a crankcase issue, how to replace it. Now, most vehicles are going to be on the valve cover itself on the top. You'll see a hose that usually runs from the intake, like that. And some vehicles, like the Chevy Cruze, though, it's built in. It's a circular deal that's built into the valve cover. Imagine the engine sets this way, and you have to pull the whole valve cover off and replace the whole valve cover to replace the PCV. Terrible design, but we're going to show you how to replace one that's just the traditional style in the valve cover on a V8 engine or V6. So for a second gen Dodge, it's going to be MicroGuard. This is what I got. It's a O'Reilly's brand, PCV 395. Now, it doesn't quite look like this, but that's what they look like on a lot of Ford style vehicles, and maybe General Motors too. I'll show you what this one looks like. I can get it open one-handed here. You can see here that this one's actually just a solid plastic piece, and it's just got a little valve in there that's spring-loaded, and the gas under pressure opens that. Alright, so get the PCV valve out. We're going to pull our hose off. We'll move it aside, and the PCV valve just pulls straight out. You may notice a little bit of oil in there too. And there's the new one. So to replace it, really simple. Just put it back in the hole there and push it in as far as it'll go. You can see it looks a lot better than the old one. And that's all the way down. Replace your hose all the way to the top. And there you go. Good as new. And you can hear that noise is now gone. So that's how to replace the PCV valve on most vehicles. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.